Hey you guys, I am back in the sunny Valley of the Sun. 80 degrees today after being up in Des Moines for that fixing my son's Chevy Cruiser, helping him fix it. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to start my 15 Grand Cherokee with no battery in the key fob. I'm going to show you how to do that. Be right back. Okay, you guys, here's the key fob. And I've taken this battery out. This battery was going low and bad, so I'm going to change that anyway. But I wanted to show you how to start your Grand Cherokee, and I can't guarantee, but other vehicles too, without the battery. Watch this. I'm going to put this back together without the battery. No battery. Okay, there's the battery still there. Now watch this. Okay, so it sends me getting in, it's going to light up. Okay, there's the key fob. Key fob not detected, so it won't start. Now watch this. All you do, and I tried doing it real close, let me show you. Even when it's real close like this, it won't start. But watch. If I use the end of the key fob, zoom, there we go. Now I'm going to take you back out. There's the battery. Battery's still there. Battery's gone. That's it. I don't know why it works, how it works. Probably should research that a little bit, but all I care is that it works, and that's the main thing for you too. Just touch the end of the key fob to the start switch. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody. I think that's great for everybody to know. I'm going to do a video here on how to change the battery in the key fob too, because it'll tell you it's getting low. But God bless, love you guys. Subscribe, share. Anybody who's got it uses a key fob, share this with them, so you might help somebody too. All right, guys. Peace out. Love you. Bless. Subscribe. Bye. See you next time.